Without the spell of love, the world would fall apart. You don't need a wand with magic in your heart. All your other organs are worthless bits of flair, my friends. They're useless in comparison to love. With love you can sing of the joy that it can bring. With love you can fly on a rainbow in the sky. With love you can dance without any pants on.